Hello and welcome to Down the Rabbit Hole. Today we're going to replace the aerial on my Megane with a nice shark fin one. So it'll add a nice bit of detail to the car, look a bit sharper than it does now maybe. Probably one of the last things I'm going to do visually to the car. Maybe I'll tint the rear lights and the badges, but yeah, this should look a bit nicer. Okay, so we're going to need to get to the aerial which is under there. So to start, I think we're going to have to pull off this boot trim here. So
gently, obviously.
Yeah, nice and gently. So that we can get under here, and because there's some wires that run down under here from the aerial that we need to get to. So to start with, we have to pull this off here somehow. There's some clips somewhere for it.
I could help, but more fun.
Yeah, it is more fun.
Back. Shh. Puzzling times.
Well, I need to get in here.
Right, so yes, okay, we'll go to the timer lapse now and catch up in a minute. So we took the trim down so you can get up inside, and also we've now taken the trim panel out and you can get a white and brown cable out or yellow and brown cable out for the actual wire. So we've just got to trace it through the car. So Rich is just feeding the wire back through the trim work, nice and gently. Because there is an airbag, there is a curtain airbag there as well. So just got to be careful with the roof in trim as well.
Well, it's clipped up there as well.
Yeah. Say goodbye to the old aerial. So, it's under an hour and he's already got the aerial off. So, aerial's off, the old one. We won't obviously throw it away, we'll keep it because you never know.
Might fit Jen's car.
Might fit Jen's car.
So we've got the shark fin on now. We just need to feed the wires through and then put all the trim back, and then we're all done.
Cool.
Oh, we need to actually plug the wires in as well. That'd be helpful.
Yes, that would be helpful. So I think you might agree the shark fin looks a lot better. Actually making the Renault look like a decent car-ish, I suppose. Hey, what was that?
Nothing. Didn't say nothing. You got Skoda, mate.
So you're taking the P out of a Volkswagen car?
Yeah, they're all.
I think that's a fight for another day. I need to do it. It's only 6 Newton meters.
Yeah. So, yeah, so all wires are clipped back in. We've got all this trim back on. Check there's no bolts left over.
It's just to cover off a bolt or something.
Yeah, it's not important, is it?
No.
That's not fun. No bolts left over. We've got all the trim back on, headliner back in, clips back in, everything's sorted. Just fed that dashcam wire back through, and then can put all this back on.
I think he's fighting with the seal. Who's going to win? Well then, what your video?
Right. So before we finish, these are the instructions that came with the shark fin. You tell me if you can make sense of any of them.
Yeah.
Apparently you need to take all the bits of trim out and the handles and the top trim. You need to take off the seat belts.
Yeah. That's being cautious.
So you don't need these, basically. You just need to follow.
So, you don't need those. Richard's saying if you want to, give him a ring and he'll talk you through it. No matter where you are in the world, no matter what the time index is.
And then I will send you this video.
And it doesn't matter about daytime saving either.
So just a quick recap of what we did. Alright, so we pulled these bits of trim off. There's a couple of screws there and some clips. We pulled this off. We found the wires, unclipped the headline in there. The wires are down here, the clips. You unclip them from there. And then you feed the wire back through. There's a couple of clips holding the wire in. And then there's a 22mm bolt up here. You undo that. And then that's the old aerial off, and you just reverse the steps to put the new one on. And that's it. It's really simple, actually.
Richard said it was really easy to fit, so if Richard can fit it, anyone can. He said he can hear me. Do we care? No! He's trying, let's see if it goes bang. He's trying the aerial. He's trying the radio. That's not all McDonald. Try some more stations, so a bit hard to get. Again.
I've done the job. Shark fin area looks really nice. I think you'll agree, a lot better than before. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, all that stuff.
Notification bell.
Notification bell. Make sure you hit that as well. And see you next time.